Explore the efficacy of the back pain breakthrough through genuine reviews. Is it a bona fide solution or just another dubious program? Crafted by Dr. Steve Young, the Back Pain Breakthrough is a comprehensive digital guide designed to pinpoint and eradicate the root cause of back pain. With over 31 million individuals grappling with daily back pain, this program seeks to offer a viable alternative to the common reliance on temporary relief provided by prescription medications. Diverging from the expensive visits to chiropractors and addictive pain relief drugs that merely mask symptoms, the Back Pain Breakthrough introduces a secure and entirely natural approach. By employing unique therapeutic movements targeting crucial pressure points, users can experience relief within a week and achieve complete elimination of back pain after 30 days. This regimen, presented in an easily navigable video series, can be conveniently performed at home without the need for additional equipment. The 6-part masterclass series requires only 10 to 15 minutes a day, making it a practical solution downloadable on laptops, tablets, or smartphones. Tailored to accommodate all ages and flexibility levels, the series presents a specially formulated spinal treatment formula. It not only tackles the root cause but also imparts tricks and tips to enhance overall back health, addressing aspects such as posture and imbalances. The Back Pain Breakthrough adheres to a 3-step system for targeted spinal release treatments, emphasizing realignment, relief from pain and stiffness, and spine strengthening. These gentle movements ensure instant pain relief without subjecting the body to unnecessary strain. Functioning as a digital program, it serves as a pragmatic alternative to back pain medication, enabling users to integrate effective exercises into their hectic schedules. While not a replacement for professional medical assistance, the Back Pain Breakthrough pledges accelerated healing through a personalized plan based on body size and specific back pain type. Priced at $19.99, the program comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, affording consumers ample time to evaluate its effectiveness. Combat chronic back pain naturally, alleviate concerns about drug addiction, and experience relief within a month with the Back Pain Breakthrough video series.